So in this video, I will be showing you Prince William and Princess Catherine's wedding. At the time, she was called Kate Middleton. And I noticed something. Let's see how it all plays out. The woman gets a ring and the man does not get a ring. Has anyone ever noticed that? Why do the royal men not get wedding bands, wedding rings? Only the woman does. Quite strange. Let's see.
I, William Arthur Philip Louis.
Take thee, Catherine Elizabeth.
Take thee, Catherine Elizabeth.
To my wedded wife.
To my wedded wife.
To have and to hold from this day forward.
To have and to hold from this day forward.
For better, for worse.
For better, for worse.
For richer, for poorer.
For richer, for poorer.
In sickness and in health.
In sickness and in health.
To love and to cherish.
To love and to cherish.
Till death us do part.
Till death us do part.
According to God's holy law.
According to God's holy law.
And thereto I give thee my troth.
And thereto I give thee my troth.
Immediate exchange. No ring.
Catherine Elizabeth.
I, Catherine Elizabeth.
Take thee, William Arthur Philip Louis.
Take thee, William Arthur Philip Louis.
To my wedded husband.
To my wedded husband.
To have and to hold from this day forward.
To have and to hold from this day forward.
For better, for worse.
For better, for worse.
For richer, for poorer.
For richer, for poorer.
In sickness and in health.
In sickness and in health.
To love and to cherish.
To love and to cherish.
Till death us do part.
Till death us do part.
According to God's holy law.
According to God's holy law.
And thereto I give thee my troth.
And thereto I give thee my troth.
See? Here comes the ring
Bless the Lord
exchange.
this ring.
Look at
Grant
this.
that he who gives it and she who shall wear
Ring
it may
exchange
remain faithful to
for
each
the
other
woman.
and abide in thy peace
But there
and
was
favour
no
and live
ring
together in
exchange
love
for
until
the
their
man.
lives
Did you
end.
notice? Princess Catherine is getting a ring, but Prince William did not get a ring. Did you notice that? He's completed his vows, and there was no ring exchange on the man's side.
With this ring I thee wed.
With this ring I thee wed.
With my body I thee honour.
With my body I thee honour.
And all my worldly goods with thee I share.
And all my worldly goods with thee I share.
Let us pray.
Now they've gone into their prayer. The man didn't get his ring.
Give up.